Hi, my name is Davin Cushman, CEO of a company called Ignite Technologies. We've partnered at Ignite with Crossover, an organization that's actually an affiliate of ours, in order to fill an extremely important leadership role for Ignite. The role is Executive Vice President of Commercial Product Management. It is an $800,000 a year role that is a perfect fit for somebody that is a deep technologist, but operating with a commercial and customer orientation, and excited to be accountable for product vision and strategy, and compelling customers and prospective customers to believe that that vision is a great fit for them to unlock value in their organizations. The role is uniquely structured, I think, compared to some similar roles in other organizations, and I've specifically not named the role Chief Product Officer in order to really clarify the distinction. In our organization, the EVP Commercial Product Management will be closely partnered with two other executives, all three of whom together are critical for getting us to our goals. There's this role, EVP Commercial Product Management. It'll be partnered with a head of Technical Product Management and a head of Software Engineering. Those are peer-level leadership roles at our company. The EVP CPM, uniquely accountable for establishing that vision, right? And in order to establish that vision, have to understand the product market fit and have to really understand the challenging, important, and valuable problems that our software is solving today and that our software should be solving in the future, right? That is the domain of the EVP CPM. That leader then will partner with the head of Technical Product Management that is going to take that understanding of those challenging, important, and valuable problems that they also participate in unearthing and defining. But the TPM team will turn around and say, great, now what are the core functions or what's the core functionality that's required to enable it? And then what are the architectural decisions that we have to make? What are the important technical decisions so that we have an enduring implementation of this functionality that delivers this business value for decades to come? And then the software engineering function, taking that specification from TPM and going and ensuring that we bring it to life by getting our engineering teams to deliver on it. So this EVP CPM role is unique in that you have to have that CTO caliber tech background. You got to have tech chops as if you were running the TPM function, whereas if you were the CPO or CTO at a company that didn't have these functions divided. But you have to be excited about and be capable of really driving the evangelism and the selling of that vision that you establish. So, core accountabilities, driving the vision creation, driving the evangelism and selling of those visions, managing the teams, pre-sales, commercial product management, having accountability into content and product marketing to ensure that those visions get evangelized and communicated properly. One-to-one in the senior most customer relationships that we have, talking to business leaders of Fortune 100 companies, and then one-to-many, ensuring that we can reach out to the multitude of customers in a given product space. This EVP CPM role reports to me, a member of the senior leadership team, and a member of a senior leadership team that is charged with how do we put ourselves on a trajectory from a $100 million a year company to $1 billion a year company over the course of the next couple of years. We acquire a ton of new products each year. That's one of our biggest vectors of growth. So not only would you be doing the CPM work on our existing portfolio that you can see at ignitetech.com, but you'd also be doing it on the future portfolio as we bring new products in for acquisition. So a great deep technologist, a great technical seller and evangelizer, who's excited to spike in talking to customers and being outward looking rather than architectural and inward looking, comfortable with others ultimately being the accountable parties for those deep architectural decisions, and then also somebody who's a great leader. This is not somebody who's going to be running an organization of 1,000, but somebody that needs to have a small organization of A players in high-end pre-sales and solution engineering, commercial product management, likely over in content and product marketing, to ensure that we bring this agenda to life and to be sure that we can deliver on great visions for our products. We have a very arduous process. We push our first round interviewing into writing, where we ask you to answer a series of written questions before you're even talking to somebody in an interview format. That allows us to be standardized in our approach and also allows us to ensure that we've got candidates who are coming through the pipeline who truly would be interested in investing the time required to make it through our process. Hopefully that sounds interesting. If so, please do apply. I am very excited to fill this role, as are other leaders of enterprise software companies who are also partnered with Crossover and have the same approach to organizational strategy and structure that I do at Ignite. So we welcome your application. Thank you very much for considering us and for your interest in the role.